morning children, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to start new chapter number 6, which is division. So you all have solved division. What is the sign of division? This is the sign of division. This is the sign of division. Okay, before starting the division, I want to tell you some properties of division. Okay, whenever we are dividing any number by 1, whenever we are dividing any number by 1, we will get the same number as the answer. Okay, so how you will divide this? 1, 3. Okay, by which we are dividing is known as divisor, and the number we are dividing is known as the dividend. Okay, by which we are dividing, the number is known as divisor, and the number which is being divided is known as dividend. So 1 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, or you can put it cross. Okay, so whatever the answer comes, that answer is known as quotient. Whatever the answer comes, that answer is known as a quotient, and which is left out is known as the remainder. Okay, so in this way we are dividing. Okay, the number which is being divided is known as dividend. The number by which we are dividing is known as divisor. The above answer which comes is known as quotient, and the left out is known as the remainder. Okay, now let's see. Let's come back to the properties. Whenever we are dividing any number by 1, we will get the same number as the answer, as you can see here. 1 3 is 3. And for division, multiplication tables are very important. If you are knowing the tables, you can divide it easily. If you are not knowing the tables, that is little bit hard for you. Okay, now let's see the another one. Second is, whenever you are dividing any number with 0, you will get 0 as the answer or 0 as the quotient. These are the properties of division. Before starting it, you must know all this. Okay, so when the first one is, whenever we are dividing with any number, we will get the same number as answer. Whenever we are dividing any number with 0, we will get 0 as the answer. Okay, and what are these terms called? The number by which we are dividing is known as divisor. The number which is being divided is known as dividend. Answer is known as quotient, and left out is known as the remainder. Okay, now in this one topic is being added, that repeated subtraction with division. Okay, let's first understand that, and then we will solve the questions. Divide by repeated subtraction, find the quotient in each case. Repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Okay, so till when we have to subtract, let's see. First question is, suppose we will take shorter one. Okay, 16 divided with 4. If this is the quotient and you have to solve it by repeated subtraction and find the quotient. Okay, so how we will solve this? Repeated subtraction means you will subtract 16 minus 4. What will come? 16 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Below 1, nothing is there. So what will come? 12. 12. Okay, first you have done. What the answer you got, you will write here, and again you will subtract it by 4. Minus 4. 0, 8. 8. Again you will subtract it by 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. What is the answer? 4 minus 4 is 0. So till you get 0, you have to subtract the numbers by the number. Okay, which will number we will divide? First we will first we will subtract by 4, we get 12. We will take 12, we will subtract 12 by 4 again, until this process will done until we get 0 here. Okay, now we will divide this and find the quotient. First we will subtract this. How many times we get 0? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what will be the answer here? Answer will be 4 times. Okay, now we will just divide and see. 4 16. 4 4s are 16. So what is the answer? Answer is also here 4. and here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we have to subtract to get 0. So what is the quotient of this number? The quotient of this number will be 4. Okay. Let's come to your exercise. Exercise number 6.1. Question number 1 is a book exercise. So I am writing here, you will write in your book. Okay. Question number 1. 16 minus 4, 12 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 4 minus 4. This we have done just it now. Okay. So 16 divided by 4 is equals to dash. 16 minus 4 will be 12. 12 minus 4 will be 8. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So what is the answer? How many times we subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the answer here? 4. Okay. Now number 2. 30 minus 6 is equals to dash. 24 minus 6 is equals to dash. 18 minus 6 is equals to dash. 12 minus 6 is equals to dash. 6 minus 6 is equals to dash. So 30 divided with 6 is equals to what it will be? 30 minus 6 is 24. You can subtract and see here. 24 minus 6 will be 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So how many times we have done the subtraction? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write here 5. Number 3. Number 3 is 42 minus 7 is equals to dash. 35 minus 7 is equals to dash. 28 minus 7 is equals to dash. 21 minus 7. 14 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is equals to dash. So 42 divided with 7 is equals to what? Okay. So as you can see here, whenever you will subtract, what answer you get, again you have to subtract this from that number. So what the number will come here? That will come here. Okay. Here is 35. So what will come here? 35. Here is 28. 28. 21. 14. 7. 0. So how many times you have subtracted it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the answer? Answer will be 6. Now question number 2. Divided by repeated subtraction and find their quotient in each case. Like this only you have to do. First is 36 divided by 9. So till then you have to subtract until we get 0 here. Okay. 36 minus 9. Make one rough column in the side and do it. 36 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 27. 27 minus 9. Minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So 36 divided by 9 is equals to how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 4. Okay, like this you have to solve all the questions. Number 2 is 8 divided with 12. Sorry, 8 divided by 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Number 3. Number 3 is 12 divided with 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 12 divided by 3, how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will come here? 4. Number 4. 56 divided with 8. 56 minus 8 is equals to, we will do in rough here, 56 minus 8. 16 minus 8, 8, 4. 48. 48 minus 8 is equals to 40. 40 minus 8 will be 32. 32 minus 8 is equals to 24. 24 minus 8 is equals to 16. 16 minus 8 is equals to 8. 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. So 56 divided by 8 is equals to how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will come here? 7. Number 5. Number 5 is 25 divided by 5 is equals to what? You have to find it out. 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. 20 minus 5 is equals to 15. 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. So 25 divided by 5 is equals to how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write here 5. Number 6. 36 divided by 6. 36 minus 6 is equals to 30. 30 minus 6 is equals to 34. 34 minus 6 is equals to 28. 28 minus 6 is equals to 22. 22 minus 6 is equals to 16. 16 minus 6 is equals to 14 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will do it again. 36 minus 6 will be 30. 30 minus 6, 10 minus 6, 4, 24. 24. 24 minus 6 will be 14 minus 6 is 18. 14 minus 6 will be 8. 18 minus 6 is equals to 12. 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. So 36 divided with 6 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6. Okay. So only 3 questions left. You will try to solve like this only. You have to subtract it, repeated subtraction until you get 0 here. Okay. And then count the number of times, that will be your answer. Now division facts for multiplication. Question number 3 is, what is question number 3? Question number 3 is, write 2 division facts for each of the following. You have to write the 2 division facts for each of the following. First one is 6 into 8 is equals to 48. So division fact, what will be there? It will be divided by either number to get same as the answer. Okay. So 48, when you will divide it by 6, you will get 8, and one time you have to divide it by 8, you will get 6. So in this way you have to write the division fact. Okay. So let's start. Number B. Sorry. Here you will write, here is question number 1, number A this one, number B this one, your answers. Okay. Now question number 2 is 6 into 4 is equals to 24. So what will be the division fact for these numbers? this is a greater number, so you will write here a greater number. One time you will divide it by 6, another time you will divide it by second number, and you will write the either number as answer. So these are the division facts. Okay. Number 3, solution A, B. Number 3 is 7 into 8 is equals to 56. So what will be the answer? One time you will divide 56 by 7 and one time with 8. So 56 divided by 7 is equals to 8. 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7. Number 4. 5 into 4 is equals to 20. So one time you will divide 20 by 5. 5 4s are 20. One time you will divide it by 4. You will get 5. Number 5. What is number 5? 6 into 7 is equals to 42. 42 divided with 6 is equals to 7. 42 divided by 7 is equals to 6. Number 6. 9 into 4 is equals to 36. So 36, one time you will divide by 9, you will get 4. One time you will divide by 4, you will get 9. Number 7. Number 7 is 5 into 8 is equals to 40. So one time you will divide 40 by 5. Another time you will divide it by 8. Okay. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.